fans. Welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel and day 3 of our Union Pacific week. We're going to have today for you a UP manifest train that was headed southbound with all the locomotives up front, 3 locomotives specifically. This manifest train is going through Austin, Arkansas, and we got it pretty early in the morning on the wrong side of the daylight, so it's a little darker than I would have liked. But nonetheless, happy to grab this one. It was the first train we saw on Wednesday morning of our trip. And so I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll be back tomorrow with a intermodal that we get northbound at Hoxie, Arkansas, crossing over the BNSF Diamond right there. And so hopefully you guys will enjoy that as well. Look forward to seeing it, and we'll see you back tomorrow. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.